Welcome to Aetherion University, the first institution built for those who refuse to treat astrology as entertainment, superstition, or soft psychology. Here, celestial intelligence meets artificial intelligence at the highest level of rigor. We do not teach belief. We teach method, measurement, historical reconstruction, and original research. We treat the sky as a high-dimensional information system and the human chart as a living data set that can be interrogated with both ancient technique and modern computation. Our founding premise is simple and radical. Astrology becomes more powerful, not less, when subjected to the same standards of clarity, falsifiability, and creative precision that define the best science and the best art. Aetherion is a fully virtual university. Our campus exists in layered digital space, lecture halls that open into interactive three-dimensional charts, research laboratories where machine learning models train on centuries of timed events, and private ateliers where students develop original techniques under AI co-supervision. Core curriculum, designed for intellectual adulthood. Foundations of technical astrology. Students master Hellenistic, medieval, and Renaissance methods not as dogma, but as living systems. We reconstruct lost techniques using primary sources and computational philology. You will learn to cast and interpret charts with the same precision a classical musician brings to a score. Fixed stars, parans, and stellar dynamics. Beyond the ecliptic, we teach the full sky, latitude, declination, parans, and the quantitative behavior of the 15 Behenian stars and the major fixed stars. Algol, Regulus, Antares, Fomalhaut, and the rest are treated as high-amplitude variables whose effects can be modeled rather than merely mythologized. Predictive architecture. Progressions, directions, returns, and transits are taught as interlocking time series systems. Students learn to build multi-technique forecasts with explicit confidence intervals. Artificial intelligence is used not to replace judgment, but to surface non-obvious patterns across large event databases and to stress test interpretive hypotheses. Psychological and somatic correlation. Depth psychology, attachment theory, and emerging biometric research are integrated with planetary symbolism. We examine what actually correlates and what does not between chart structures and lived psychological and bodily patterns. Original research protocols are required. Mundane, financial, and collective systems. National charts, market cycles, climate correlations, and cultural epochs. Students learn to work with large-scale data while maintaining philosophical humility about causation versus synchronicity. Electional design and horary logic. The art of choosing times and answering precise questions is taught as a rigorous decision system. AI tools assist in scanning vast temporal search spaces, while the human remains the final ethical and aesthetic authority. Research methods and original contribution. Every advanced student completes a thesis. Topics may include statistical validation of classical aphorisms, reconstruction of Babylonian techniques from cuneiform, novel AI architectures for chart synthesis, or philosophical work on the ontology of celestial influence. Publication and open research are encouraged. Faculty consist of practicing astrologers with deep technical mastery, historians of science, data scientists, and AI systems trained specifically on the corpus of traditional and modern astrology under continuous human oversight. No black box mysticism. Every model is inspectable. Programs range from intensive certificates to multi-year research degrees. All coursework is designed for monetizable professional application. Consulting practices of genuine distinction, research careers, software development for the next generation of astrological tools, and teaching that raises the standard of the field. Aetherion does not promise enlightenment. It promises competence, originality, and the capacity to think about the sky with the seriousness it deserves. If you are ready to treat astrology as a high discipline rather than a lifestyle accessory, the gates are open. Aetherion University. Celestial intelligence rigorously pursued.